Hey guys, welcome back to This Week on Sledgehammer Horror. I'm Ashley Sledge, and let's talk horror. So this week on My First Horror Movie, Monday we have Angel of the Voices from the Mausoleum. Wednesday we have Gage Stoneman of Dark Moon Home Video. Friday we have our Didn't See That Coming on Sinister. Saturday we have a My First Horror Movie special with Drew Roberts, Ghouls Night Productions. And then we have a live on Wednesday at 9 p.m. with Matt Fauci and Angel re-ranking the Scream franchise. So come out and give us your ranking. All right, guys, as always, I hope you have a fantastic week. Keep talking horror, stay who you are, and if you haven't already, like and subscribe. Bye, guys.